Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use Gmail as a beginner. So firstly, open a browser. Then you have to write here Gmail, this one, and you have to click on the first option, Gmail, email, Gmail, Google. Then you have to put the ID and password to the Gmail account and log into your Gmail account. And this is how it looks like, the Gmail account. This is all your messages, all your mails, have been received. Okay, this is your inbox. If someone send you mail, you will find this mail here. Okay, here's the send option. If you send any email to anywhere, it will find the send items of mail. Now if you want to send anyone a mail, you have to click on this compose. Then you have to write here the recipient email ID, and then you have to write here the subject. What is the email subject? Write your subject here like prayer for leave of advance, like this subject here. Then you have to write here the email right here, and then if you click on send, the mail will be sent to that specific email account. Now if you want to attach anything, any photos, any PDF with this mail, you have to click on this attach file. Then you have to find from computer like this. I'm gonna send this. Okay, now if you click on send, the mail will be sent to that specific guy. Let's see, click on send. Now if you click on send, and you'll find that you have sent to that mail to this specific person. Okay, so this is how you can send email to a Gmail account or any mail account. Now if you want to delete one mail, you have to click on right click on that mail, and you'll find here delete. Click on delete and your mail will be deleted. And in delete, how you can find the deleted mail? You have to go to trash, this one. Then you'll find all of your deleted mail here. Okay, now if you click on delete forever, it will be delete forever. From here you cannot find that mail again. Okay guys, so this is the basic guys. And if you want to see the settings, you have to go to settings, and you can see here settings, all see all settings. Here the general option, you can change your language from here. Here's the phone number, you can change the phone number. Maximum size. Page, you can change the page size. Undo send. And you can see the labels here. Label means the group. You can make the group in the email if you want. Here's the inbox, and here's account and import. Here's filters and blocks, forward and MOP map, add-ons, chat meet. This is the advanced option, but the basic is how you can send mail and receive mails. All your mails will be here, and this is how you can send mails. Okay, this is snoozed. If you want to snooze any mail, you can, it will be here. Okay, and in the draft, if you draft any mail, you will find the drafts mail here. And here's the label. Here's the label means the group of the email. Okay guys, so this is the basic guys. So this is how you can enjoy, and this is how you can use a Gmail account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.